Did you know that with the latest iOS updates, Apple has finally allowed iOS users and iPhone users to be able to customize their iPhone, similar to Android, which they've been able to do it for years now. But hold up, the thing is, this widgets and lock screen customization and home screen changes quite well made that I would argue it actually does it better when it comes to the user interface and cohesiveness of it all. But don't take my word for it, take a look. Let's start by unlocking your iPhone, but staying on lock screen. Tap and hold on the screen your finger until it activates the iPhone lock screen changing UI. Here you can slide right and left similar to your Apple Watch, so you can see your saved lock screens. At the far right is where you'll find the option to add a new lock screen. On the top, it tells you which type of lock screen style it is. For example, this indicates whether it's a static image, a live photo, which means animated, like so. Or on the far right as a photo shuffle that I have saved here, meaning it allows your wallpaper to change when you tap it or lock the screen. It also allows you to have multiple wallpapers on your iPhone. Let's first learn how to make a wallpaper change. Head to the far right and touch the plus icon. Here, choose the photo shuffle option at the top. You can select specific albums if you've liked, but for example, I will choose today only pets and nature as my options to show. I also want this to shuffle the frequency of my images every time I tap my device. You can do by the day, hour, or every time you lock the device. Let's hit Use Featured Photos. Now you can add widgets and change the style of the clock. Let me know in the comment section below if you're enjoying this video and have any questions. Plus, hit the like button and subscribe to help the channel grow, and visit my website for more in-depth guides for free. Alongside the filters on the displayed images. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and tap the Add button on the top right corner. It will ask you if you want to mirror the images on your home screen or have different ones. Next, select the new iPhone lock screen you just created and lock your device. I won't be locking my device because I'm currently screen recording. But similar to this customizing option, every time you tap your device screen, it will change your wallpaper. And there is more, but that is beyond the scope of this video. I invite you to come on over to my website and check out my other videos on my channel to learn more about, for example, how to use widgets on iPhone to elevate your productivity. And if you're interested on theming to make your iPhone more unique with app icons, make sure you stick around and leave me in the comments a comment on anything you would like to get help with regarding this video or something else. I'm in World 7, your host at Richie Rich Labs, and I'll talk to you next time. Peace.